So we've been on vacation for 1 week now, and during my vacation, I made over $41,000, you guys. This is a dream come true. I'm telling you what, if you are sick and tired of being sick and tired, if you're sick and tired of settling, you have to check this process out, because 20 months ago, I never in my wildest dreams did I think I would be on a dream trip like this, and never did I think I would make this type of money, because I didn't understand digital marketing. I didn't understand having a global business that I can do business all over the world. I didn't understand attraction marketing. I didn't understand automations. I had to learn that. But what I did know is I'm coachable, and I was willing to learn this because my family is worth it. And now we're on dream trips, and I have an automated system out there working for me 24/7. So if you are ready to learn, one, how to have an automated business. You guys know what that means, right? I've never had to go find a customer. I've never had to follow up with a customer. I've never heard the word no. It's fully automated. People can learn at any time, and people can buy from me at any time. I absolutely love that. It has allowed me to get my life back and my time back and make unforgettable memories like this. So if you are ready to learn about this blueprint and this process, put ready in the comments, because I would absolutely love to share with you.